Welcome everyone. So here we are, Team Irrelevance, Team 152. So the point we are trying to tackle over here is the crime against women, right? So what happens in our daily life is that there's a lot of crime reported against women, and there's not enough deployment of forces in that places to take care of it. So we're trying to make a predictive analysis by analyzing the data over 14 years and understanding what sort of crime happens in which regions. If it's the alcohol which is a reason for it, or is it the geographical location. So that is what we've done over here. Now, Anshu, my team will show you what exactly we've analyzed in our project.
So we're analyzing the data set crime against women from 2001 to 2014. Here we're checking if there are any null values. And because imputation of girls has a lot of null values, we're dropping that column. We're converting everything to upper so that we have consistency among data. And we're plotting a table for the districts and the the total number of crimes for every year and every crime reported, and plotting the graph for each of the crime. Our main aim is to plot the total number of cases per district to show that which district has a higher number of cases and deploy more amount of help in that particular district. Here we can see that this district has extremely high crime rate reported. We're doing this for every crime reported and plotting the graph respectively. In the end, we're doing this for state as well to show which state has more cases reported. And at the end, we are using KNN model for regression and trying to predict the next few years crime rate. Now, Vijit will explain about the how alcohol is related to the crime against women.
So we basically did a crime analysis, analysis of the alcohol consumption, and based on the data set that we had received, you can finally understand in the graph over here that for each area, the rural crime rate is more than the urban crime rate. And based on an analysis in the women crime analysis as well, it shows that the crime in rural districts is a lot more than urban. So this is one correlation we are trying to make over here. So if you look at the final count we receive over here, the number of cases in of alcohol consumption is higher in rural compared to urban. It's a huge number, 32 over 5. So this is one thing that we have tried to address in our project over here, and that's the correlation we are looking at making. Thank you so much. In future, we aim to make it using a live statistic database where we have real time feed.